opened coffee parlour.
Billingham's newest addition has been open less than a fortnight, and already business is flowing nicely. French-Italian style coffee shop Coffee Parlour opened its doors to locals on Good Friday and is looking to be Billingham's newest socialising spot. I spoke to Beth Krug, a staff member at Coffee Parlour, to find out more.
Like nothing else around here, like in Billingham like this, that does desserts, pancakes, breads. So we thought we'd bring this one to Billingham for everyone. I think it's different because of like the atmosphere. We make everyone feel like they're at home here, and like so they can relax. And I think it'll bring in like new people and like make everyone like know each other. And I don't know. It's just gonna bring everyone together.
The socialising spot.
Yeah, a socialising spot. So we do a range of desserts, and we also do savoury food as well. So not only like desserts, places do stuff like this. So we do like burgers, burritos. We also do crepes. We do savoury crepes, like salmon. It's quite different. It's been alright. The first day was a bit quiet, but since we've been advertised on the Facebook page, it's been picking up, and we've got more people in.